लोगों को प्रेम तो चाहिए, पर आर दे इक्विप्ड टू गिव एंड रिसीव लव? पेरेंट्स take children, most of them, as their investment for future. Because parents ने sacrifice किया है, they expect you to also sacrifice your joy. Mothers, too protective about child suffocates the growth of a child for rest of his life. वो बच्चा कुछ करने से पहले सोचता है मम्मी की एनर्जी मत कर, कुछ हो जाएगा. That person can never grow. We're creating rats. Each relationship is black magic. I want my husband or wife to do what I say. That is black magic. That's why you have to be very careful what relationships you form, physical relations. Is people think, oh, I can sleep with many. You do not know what you're getting into. They say that it takes 9 months for the vibration of the person go out of your body if you have sex with somebody. Most of the relations are destroyed by too much talking all the time. It becomes mental energy.
I've traveled all the way to Rishikesh at this beautiful Osho ashram, जहाँ मैंने बात की है with no other than Satya Ji from Satya Speaks. It is a phenomenal conversation over 2 days that talks about really कैसे अपने mind को control करें, manage करें, but really through creativity, through movement. It's been an experiential journey where we've danced with the sun, we've painted, we've played with clay, we've done Tai Chi, but most of all, we've learned how to connect with that inner energy, that inner creativity to really unleash the best version of you. So, Satya ji, अगर हम manifestation की बात करें, and you know that again is this new buzzword कि सब बोलते हैं आप manifest करो, वो काफी inward looking है कि मुझे एक partner चाहिए, मेरे को life चाहिए, मेरे को job चाहिए. What is your view of this kind of, you know, black magic manifestation? ये सही है, नहीं है? कैसे सोचना चाहिए इसके बारे में?
So you are putting it is a black magic. Desire means telling life that it is wrong. You are telling it what to give you.
Yeah.
पहली गलती वहां पे हो गई. ठीक है. लोगों को प्रेम तो चाहिए, पर आर दे इक्विप्ड टू गिव एंड रिसीव लव? वो कोई नहीं पूछता. हम भिखारी की तरह तो जा रहे हैं, 2 भिखारी खड़े हुए हैं, गिव मी लव. समझ रहे हैं? हम भिखारी की तरह करियर में भी जा रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट बिहेविंग लाइक रॉयल बीइंग्स दैट इट्स आवर कॉस्मोस. What I can offer to life because it has given me so much. From that attitude, ठाकुर जी जो है ना, वो जो बिग बॉस, it becomes interested into you.
Okay.
ये भीख नहीं मांग रहा. राजा को राजा ही पसंद आते हैं. दोस्ती उसी से होती है. हम भिखारी की, अरे प्रभु जी कब कृपा करोगे? कृपा तो हर समय हो रही है.
आप उसको appreciate नहीं कर रहे.
और in your circumstances, your creativity, your good fortune is there, but you have social ideas. What is good fortune? What is you expect from life? You see, everybody is designed uniquely and for their prosperity. Like ants are designed to prepare for what is coming. It's not something of their ambition or desire. Similarly, each human is designed, but each human is trying to be that specific corporate employee or have money or so. That is not design of life.
Basically, instead हम अपने action से नहीं सोच रहे हैं. We're not हम
We're thinking on the result of that.
So I'll tell you my perspective कि बच्चों के साथ जिसके साथ मैं काम करती हूँ, आप बहुत पैशनेट हो जाते हो किसी चीज़ के साथ. उसके साथ एक fear of failure आ जाता है कि मैंने इतना, you know, I put myself out there, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की. आप काम कर रहे हो, आप जॉब कर रहे हो, जॉब से निकल गए, आप एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहे हो. You don't hear it, like you are giving your 100%, लेकिन जो रिजल्ट है, रिस्पॉन्स है, वो नहीं आ रहा है. उसके consequences हो जाएंगे. How are you dealing with that failure?
जो कृष्ण कह रहे हैं ना अर्जुन से, जो एंगल कोई मेंशन नहीं करता. The very action is reward. That's what it means to do it with passion. You loved doing it, now you don't care because your passion reflects as a result, not your expectation. In that moment, you dipped into the Ganga of Shakti when you were passionately involved with something. You don't care for result. It's just mental idea. There is the result. Result will happen as part of the consequence. पूरा point ही आप देखो, नाम जप में क्या है, तंत्र में क्या है. Everybody is saying कि वही चल रहा है, उसमें डूबो. तो आपका कर्म शुड बी योर ऑफरिंग टू लाइफ बाय एंगेजिंग टोटली। वो आपका नुकसान कैसे कर सकता है? नाउ अनदर थिंग इज when you are doing anything totally not bothering of the result, your action is creating a another result into your life. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, मैं कर तो ये रहा हूं पर एक मेंटल इमेज को भी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूं। तो जो शक्ति मैनिफेस्टेशन बनने वाली थी वो शक्ति आपकी माइंड गेम बन गई। समझ रहे हैं? मैंने एक काम किया बट एट द सेम टाइम आई एम फैंटेसाइजिंग ए फ्यूचर, so my energy is not fully activating the consequences. It is canceling them also with doubt, with fear, with what if अगर मैं सिर्फ कर रहा हूं और कुछ नहीं, in that very doing is a cosmic movement. एक बात मैं बताऊं which is kind of connected to this, उनको पता है कि उनको क्या चाहिए 10 साल बाद। लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि हाउ आई वांट टू फील आफ्टर 10 years. If for example how you want to feel becomes your prior thing, then whatsoever is needed for that life will give you. बट हम सोचते हैं अगर इतना पैसा आ जाएगा तब आई विल बी हैप्पी। इट्स ए एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आइडिया। लाइफ डजंट बिलीव इनटू एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आइडिया।
सत्या जी, एक ना कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, एक एक गुड गर्ल गुड बॉय का एक कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया हुआ है कि अगर आप ये चीजें करोगे तो आप अच्छे हो, यूर अ गुड पर्सन, यूर अ गुड सन, यूर अ गुड वाइफ। गुरु जी, जैसे हम ये बोलेंगे कि आई वॉन्ट टू लिव माई नाउ, कि मेरे को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, देन स्टैंडर्ड रिस्पॉन्स इज यू आर सेल्फिश।
Who is not thinking only about themselves? Till you do not love yourself, you cannot give love to others. It's like saying your fire is burning, that means you're selfish. If I am burning, that's why I'm able to give love to you because I'm feeling good. So I say, come, sit. Hey, how are you doing? I have this idea. You say, wow. But you want to own it. You want other to put their fire off and start to serve you. You think your parents think about you? Father wants you to be a doctor or something. It's his desire imposing on the daughter or the son. Parents take children, not all, but most of them, as their investment for future. Because parents ने sacrifice किया है, they expect you to also sacrifice your joy. This is so much dominant, especially in Indian culture. True warrior, true spiritual is who stands for the joy, then you stand for life. Not who stands for, अरे हाँ ये तो चलता है, compromise करना पड़ता है। नहीं करना पड़ता। देखिए, if I compromise in a relation, I become dukhi, I become down. I will take revenge when you will be happy. Like this is seen so commonly, you know. However, if I support my joy, I will provoke your joy.
Right.
If somebody cancels my joy, I let them do that. This is the real battle. नहीं कि parents गलत हैं, वो गलत हैं. Fight for your joy. I love to do this. I can see, hundreds of people, I can see behind it at the parents' pressure. They never live their youth in joy. Then that becomes fantasy in middle age. That becomes sexual contortion in the more future age. Mothers, too protective about child suffocates the growth of a child for rest of his life. वो बच्चा कुछ करने से पहले सोचता है मम्मी की एनर्जी मत कर, कुछ हो जाएगा. That person can never grow. We're creating rats. Give me safe a job, then it's fine. I'll be on internet watching pornography and looking for some girl, and then her also I will torture and we'll get married. You see, people do not like anybody who relies on themselves. If I am dependent on you, you will like me because you are needed. But when you are not needed, you see, kya hai? We want people to become our slaves, and because we are slaves.
Satya ji, this is like going on this parent topic. मतलब हमारे पास इतने बच्चे आते हैं, lot of youngsters. मुझे ये लड़की पसंद है लेकिन मम्मी पापा को नहीं पसंद. What do I do? मुझे घर छोड़ना है, काम करना है, लेकिन पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि उनको कौन सपोर्ट करेगा. एंड वो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में फंस जाते हैं कि मैं वो करूं जो पापा मम्मी बोल रहे हैं या वो करूं जो मैं कर रहा हूं, और अगर मैं अपनी करूंगा तो फिर मैं क्या उनको आई एम लेटिंग देम डाउन.
There's one suggestion I give to most of the youngsters: doing your breathing, see yourself as a 5-year-old child. How you were innocent, running around, jumping around, and all that. Do that for a week. Now, see your father and mother as a 5-year-old child. So he's breaking that archetype image of father, how we see him. Once you are onto that ground,
जी.
then you talk to another human being, not to your father taking permission, not to your mother. Say, I am a human being, I love you, but if I am not able to do what I want to do, I will hate you. Do you want my hate, or you want me to marry that woman or not to marry that woman? You see, dialogue is not aggression. But when dialogue is kept inside and explodes into disasters, divorce is a pent up of 3 years of tolerance. But if you say whenever the misdeed is done that I do not like this, divorce will not happen, dialogue will start. Abhi parents say dialogue karna zaruri hai. And you have to say to them directly, I think that you are being selfish. Let me make my mistakes. Maybe this woman is wrong. Let me make my mistakes. And you have to stop looking at your parents as a child who has all the answers. That was okay as a child. But you have to also realize my father is stupid also. You have to see human as a human. He has his repression. He has his frustrations which he wants to fulfill through me. And you don't have to compromise there. Life is not battle. One day you will have Mahabharat. Life is every day you have to kind of stand for yourself. If you develop this habit, others will not even say it then. कि नहीं ये नहीं सुनेगा क्योंकि आप सुनते हो तो वो और चढ़ते हैं. This is the danger of doing one compromise. You're training the other that you're willing for compromise. छोटी सी बात पे चाहे लोग समझे पागल है थोड़ी, ये बड़ी थोड़ी mental है. It's good to be mental like that than to compromise, you know. It is for the sake of life, not for sake of a somebody's mind fuck. Essentially, we are compromising a love of life for somebody's mind fuck. There's nothing wrong with a loving a woman, then losing her after 1 year. It's fine, but you lived a love. It made you better human being, but you did not love. You spent 10 years frustrating, bitching, pornography, and this and that. You got worse than where you were. Value the life where you are before you value the society.
आई गेस इवन विद इन रिलेशनशिप्स हम लोग ये बहुत करते हैं कि हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं और ये डायलॉग चालू नहीं करते हैं. इवन इफ इट स्टार्टेड, एक डर रहता है कि व्हाट इफ द पर्सन डजंट एक्सेप्ट माय ट्रू सेल्फ. हाउ डू यू रियली गेट रिड ऑफ दैट फियर?
For that, you have to understand that life is insecure. Security is just an illusion. Everybody is afraid to start a dialogue. They can either bitch or they can reject the person.
Right.
The danger is if I come to you with a complaint, you know, I feel that you did this wrong to me. The danger is there. Maybe you will make me see I am wrong. That I don't want. So I want to sit in my space and judge you. But the real dare is exposing yourself, because in dialogue, you're exposing yourself. That I am hurt by what you said. And that sometimes changes relations dramatically because other feels I am reaching that person. What is a lack of dialogue? That you both are into your own private worlds, and here is else throwing words at each other. And you get accustomed, and then a trend or a mantra happens where you every day, hello, I love you, and this and that.
अरे
But
अपने
no,
माइंड में आप सेफ, यू फील
हाँ.
सेफ कि कोई मतलब सब कुछ ठीक है.
देखो, it's better to suffer for your own gesture of sincerity than to suffer for a compromise. Suffer you will. You see, suffering will happen. Either you suffer in compromise or by taking your own risks. At least, you see, why it is safe to suffer in compromise? You can blame others. So that is one thing. Dialogue is not about who is right. That is argument. Who is right? Dialogue is about what is right. I want to sit with you and talk to you. I understand you said this, but I feel hurt. Let's now see what will be the right thing. Not you are right. Mostly relations end upon who is right. Nobody dares ki, yes, I think you're right here. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Relation has evolved. You feel heard
Mm.
and other responded to you. But this has to be a practice. Let's say in relation with parent, get into habit of opening a dialogue. That I have no problem following you, I love you, but I have my inspirations also. My relation with my father ended when I said to him that you don't care about what my dreams are. He said, fuck your dreams. I don't care. That day my relation ended because now how I can respect such a person?
Mm.
But if he said, okay, what is your dream? There he is also willing to let go his idea of me and supporting my dream. तो वहां पे आपको, that's where I said life is a change. When you start a dialogue, you will know whether this person is worth having your energy of dialogue or not. And if you see there is no opening, walk out. If people take enough risks and stand for their life, I tell you, maybe society will not stand for you. Life will fully stand for you. It will show you ways because you have not connected with Shakti. Fire is a rebellion.
How do you protect your energy in a relationship?
You have to give yourself the greatest gift. Stand for yourself. And your standing is not some political agenda. Your standing is, this is what I feel and I stand with it. And it has a power. It gives you a power. If somebody is trespassing, as I said, talk. Mostly people stop there
Mm.
because everything is done like,
सब डरते हैं कुछ बोलने के
डरते
लिए।
हैं जान के भी कि ये मेरा नुकसान कर रहा है, अदर दूसरे को भी पता ही कर रहा है, but it's being pretended. But once you get naked, other is forced to get naked or they will run away. That is why they say that demons run away when Hanuman chants Ram. What it means psychologically. When you bring thing to a light, you're exposing yourself and the other. So there you need to have inspiration, which gives you guts to stand for life which you are, not some part of a culture you are, That is Sanatan.
But हम डरते हैं, right? We're scared of taking our own responsibility. We're scared of walking out. We are scared कि अच्छा, अगर ये नहीं हुआ या ये relationship break हो गया या ये job नहीं हुआ तो क्या होएगा? And that sense of insecurity keeps us fixed to our issues and problems. या फिर हम escape ढूंढते हैं. I think even spirituality, when we started this conversation, हम उसको एक escape ढूंढ लिए कि कहीं किसी तरह ये insecurity या ये suffering खत्म हो जाए.
We trust mental formations more than अगर ऐसा होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा. We never trust कि me, this energy, जब स्थिति आएगी तब देखेंगे. You understand? But that is, for our psychology, it's insecure thing. We want full plan before we take a risk. But life doesn't function like that. Life is a creativity. This idea is very false. There is predestiny. Nothing like that.
Life is not destined. Nothing is written.
If there is no time, destiny implies time. We call it Brahma, who is constantly inventing and creating. Is it possible that it might be sitting here and feeling, if you allow it, it can give you a new expansion? But you believe that is also creativity of life. You believe there is a destiny, so it creates destiny for you.
How interesting. हम destiny बनाते हैं क्योंकि we believe कि there is destiny.
Because you believe, that's why it is formed. There is a story in Islam that somebody went to Ali and asked that if there is a free will or destiny. So Ali said, stand up. He stood up and he said, now lift one leg. He lifted one leg. He said, now lift the other. He said, I cannot. So he said, when you were standing on two legs, there was a free will. Once you make a desire, now you are bound by that desire. So if you create without desire, you are not bound by the consequence you create through their desire and forced to go into it.
वो आप अपने desire को आपको trap कर रहा है.
Desire is creating a new cosmos because you are a Brahma. We don't know that being Brahma means you have to live the full scale of it. You can manifest what you want, but when it comes to the negative side of that creation, you say, I don't want this. Let's go to some guru, how to get out of this. It won't do. You'll have to live the hell you created, the shadow side. And that's what it means, completing a karma. And we think how to manifest a girlfriend. aa jayegi, but she's not all glorified Urvashi, Sundari. She's also a whatever the word is, Gayan, Chudail, the bit. But you don't consider that. Dhoka ho gaya. Dhoka nahi hua. If I am aware of my bastard, I will appreciate other bitch also.
तो क्या हमें डिजायर नहीं करना चाहिए? We should just stay in the present और अपनी
इसमें
creativity.
समझना चाहिए, desire is a creativity. Through desire, what is creativity? A need to expand. ठीक है? हमें क्या लगता है कि मेरे पास वो जब वो मिल जाएगी ना, या मिल जाएगा, या पैसे आ जाएंगे, it's a replica for expansion, but it is not really an expansion. If you understand I need to expand, then you realize it's not the object of desire. That is just pretending your expansion. You long for expansion. What happens when you are in love? You expand as energy. You make it a marriage. You shrink. So, उसमें ये समझना जरूरी है कि your essential need is in this moment. If I keep expanding every day, prosperity, happiness will come and serve me. Because you have become the cycle of life. Energy comes to you, it doesn't stop and creates a cancer into you, but it creates more. You become the favorite toy of the cosmos to play with.
लेकिन हम उसको बांधने की कोशिश करते हैं
हर कोई यही कर रहा है,
कि इसको अब मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ, इसको मैं रिलेशनशिप
जेब में डालने के लिए रख रहे हैं.
मैं काम में, आप उस हर चीज को हम अपने आप को भी बांधते हैं. व्हाट वी डोंट रियलाइज इज आप किसी और को पकड़ते हो तो फिर आप भी तो कहीं ना कहीं
मैंने आपको पकड़ा, मैं भी तो बंध गया ना पकड़ने के साथ ही, है ना? तो ये नहीं समझते. All these actors and politicians, they try to think that I am cool, but without people appreciating you, you are nothing. And artists who admit it, they are humble, that because of these people I am that. Real service is not being a king. Why sun is king? It is serving every particle of our life. That's why it is king. But our definition of king is ruling others. So when you start to serve life, you say, I don't care about myself, then it becomes responsibility of life to take care of me. When you say, I take care of myself, he says, Tathasu, go for it. But if you say, I don't care, I will give, I will share, I will create, I will not keep accounts, भंडारा खुल जाता है. उसको लंगर बोलते हैं. फिर वो तो देता है, पर इसलिए नहीं करना कि और मिलेगा, क्योंकि bliss is in flow, not in having. और ये कोई नहीं सिखाता हम कि जब तुम फ्लो कर रहे हो ना, it is not about going to a mountain place, it's about the whole car ride
of getting there.
of getting there.
This journey towards enlightenment, या हमें गुरु तब चाहिए होता है जब हमारी लाइफ में कुछ सफरिंग आती है, कोई पेन आता है. So is it important कि कोई सफरिंग या पेन आए?
You're asking as if, is it necessary to be alive? To be alive means you will go through suffering. Only then you will feel happiness. If I have to say the master key, if somebody is sincere, stop avoiding suffering. I'm not saying become a masochist, seek suffering. No. When suffering is there, you should change your mechanism, welcome it, and look at it. that itself is your guru. Because in suffering, you are having a loss. Something is freeing inside you, but your psychological resistance is holding on to it. And that's what creates the pain. Otherwise, loss is not a pain. Your resistance, 90% of pain in any suffering is our resistance to why this happened. We are not facing the fact. What I feel is that people want change, but they're not willing to burn. They don't want suffering. If you don't want suffering, forget about life. Or more so about a guru or a teacher, And that's where I feel that if you have real sincere intention, guru will find you. Suffering means Shiva aspect. Things now, whatever you loved so much, desired so much, now it's going away. Letting it go away is the whole teaching. You are learning to die. And we don't want to die. Because if some relation ends, some part of you ends, but you don't let it die.
You want to hold on to it.
You had an identity, you had friends, and now your ego was defined in a certain way. Suffering is not loss of the person. Suffering is the loss of you. The way you felt with that person, now there will be no one with whom you can feel, who can define you the same way. Maybe others will come, will define you differently, but you died a death. And Guru teaches you, die as many deaths every day.
You should.
You should. If you don't die, your body starts to die. If you let death happen, by law of things, it creates new energy, because there is no actually loss. Change is not a loss. Change is a growth.
हमने कल clay के साथ we worked with clay and we created something, and then उसके बाद we destroyed it, and there's this sense of
Loss.
there's sense of loss, and they were like, अच्छा ये clay जा रहा है, and I was, I was only attached to it for maybe half an hour. लेकिन उसमें भी you get so attached to that feeling कि आपने create किया, लेकिन उससे
that little particle is the source of all attachments.
Right.
Because while you're making it, you're enjoying it. Now you start to define yourself through the object. You are not recognizing the subject which can create. See, that's the difference between attachment and love. Love is about you're radiating something. It is not dependent on the other. But attachment is about you get happiness out of other. Now you want to own that kind of thing. And if you want to own, it will be taken away.
आज नहीं तो कल कहीं
It will be. It's a law, because nothing stays. Good news, nothing stays. Bad news, nothing stays. It's both good news and bad news. Human beings are split and divided because of their choices. Good feeling I want, bad feeling I don't want. And whole journey of making a career is no bad should happen. But when you drop that, you are thrown into the present, because good feeling is for future, bad feeling avoidance is for future. This moment is just a live thing, and integration happens. That integration is what we call so-called enlightenment. I call it realization of life, not realization of self. That becomes a philosophical subject. We think we realize the life. No. We are thinking thoughts about life. Realization of life is to start to feel life, where I am actually. Just think where are we? Sun is going on and earth is moving on around a fiery rock. And here we're having a podcast. Isn't it magic enough?
Satya ji, we talk about wealth and prosperity. आपका bank balance कितना है? गाड़ी कौन सी है? But in the truest sense, what is true wealth?
People who are seeking success, if you look closely, they're empty inside of energy. They're seeking energy. They're hunting energy. And for them, money will give them whatever they want. Prosperity is like abundance of energy. You're radiating energy. True sense, that is Lakshmi means. Lakshmi means you want to benefit your customer, not earn from him. I tell many youngsters, they say, what career to choose? I say, choose a career where you feel that how I can give more to life
Because I want to.
because I want to. That intention qualifies you. Cosmos becomes aware of you. You see, money we call currency. Why we call currency? Money means that which flows, circulates.
Correct.
Current. It's a current. If I give you, naturally you'll have to give me back something. Otherwise, you won't be able to receive it. We are the dams. Paisa aata hai, it stops with us.
Right.
If life gives us something, it stops at us. And if life gives you something, if you give forward, more will come.
What about a youngster who wants to earn money, or wants a certain, क्या वो गलत है कि मुझे इतना कमाना है या मुझे लगता है
हाँ
कि ये-
kamao. You see, don't make money your dead end. You say to life, I want to do all these things which I want to give life back. झूठा वादा नहीं चलेगा. False promise. And then you say, please provide me whatever I need for all that. You will get. But people are asking only a dead end desire. I should have millions and I should have a car and a bungalow. Fine. But what you will do after that? Fight for it and always live in security? If you say that I have passion for this and I want to nourish others and give others through this passion, provide me. So for youngsters, I will say do something which you have passion for. Life will find a way because your intention is not to keep it but share more.
Briefly mentioned on this when we were speaking on it yesterday is this whole idea of जब हम तांत्रा की बात करते हैं, जब हम अघोरी की बात करते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारा माइंड वो एक ब्लैक मैजिक की तरफ चले जाता है, सिद्धियों की तरफ चले जाता है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो कि ब्लैक आर्ट्स पॉसिबल है, स्पिरिट्स होती हैं क्या?
Yes, black magic exists, and everybody who is desiring in some way is throwing a spell of black magic on life. When you tell life, this moment is not okay, make my tomorrow like this, it's black magic. If you ask me, the technically what black magic is. Each relationship is black magic. I want my husband or wife to do what I say. That is black magic.
Really?
Of course. Oh.
So the minute I say कि मुझे ये चाहिए or I want you to
That
do
is
this.
black magic. Because, yeah, it doesn't mean that you can't expect things from people. But you expect like, okay, this person has their own flow. You can only propose, not ask. Ki, I feel this is how. That's what relationship is. See, not only that we do black magic on others, we also do black magic on ourselves. Black magic is pushing life according to your mind. And white magic is cooperating with life how it wants to move. You see, each person has a specific karma they have to face and live for their growth. You come in between as a healer, let me take away your pain. And you know what will happen? That karmic pattern will enter you. Like there is one practice, so she was talking about Om chanting. He said after doing 6 months of Om chanting, you will feel intense energy. You will for sure can feel, can do, you can heal somebody. But say do not do that because all 6 months of work will go into that person and you will again to a zero. Not only zero. He had a karma which he had to live. Now where it will go? It's a live energy thing. You pushed yourself in, his thing will enter you. And you will start to live that person's karma. This happens in relations also. That's why you have to be very careful what relationships you form, physical relations. Is people saying, oh, I can sleep with many. You do not know what you're getting into. It takes years to get rid of other people's energies, influence, which rule your actions. Some marriages, as soon as guy meets this woman, he is prosperous. Both starts to prosper. Sometimes it also happens that you start to go down, other starts to rise. This happened with me in my relations and marriage. Like all the women who came into my life, they became successful. And I was just zero. When I became alone, look,
I'm doing
Prabhupada
so
is
well.
giving lectures.
Because you could keep your energy for yourself.
Exactly. So They say that it takes 9 months for the vibration of the person go out of your body if you have sex with somebody
9 months.
to clear off.
And if you have multiple partners, then आप उसको compound कर दो.
From there, you take 9 months from the last one.
Wow.
Not only that, all this energy gets mixed up in you. It will change your psychology.
So it will change the way you're making decisions. It will change your choices. It will change what you're doing while you're
Lots of it. This is what Tibetans call living other people's karmas. So that's why you have to choose a very, very carefully which partner you're going to have in your life. It is not just about your sexuality. It's about your whole life's frequency. How I am able to say it, for example, I went through many relations and I noticed how my personality was different with each relation I was with. How I looked at things, how I felt about myself, everything.
would change.
Even what do you say, frivolous relations or short-term relations. Then because I was meditating, I started to see the damage it does. Then I became more focused and more selective about it. Now, very important point that which I said in many ways, I think it will be good to share that. Your mind is the male inside you. No matter female body or male body. Your body is the female inside you. So inner tantra has to happen first. Otherwise, how your mind relates with your body, similar kind of relations you will find. If your mind is manipulative of your body, you will find men who are manipulative of your body. If your mind is full of duality about your sexuality, about your energy and this and that, and you will find the same kind of frequency who is also the same thing. Your mind has to become a lover of the body. It doesn't push it. It listens to it, takes care of it. Because of that, no wrong man can enter your life because your system will just, your woman will say, but abhi to it's mind. Not only that, DNA wise, your mind is your father. Your body is your mother. How your father treated your mother, that's how your mind will treat your body. It even goes more deeper, how your mind treat with your energies. How your mind thinks about your artistic capabilities. What's the use? So you are more male. But if it is there, you should honor it, let it grow. So that such a person is, what you say, real appreciator of the woman. Means appreciator of the body.
And the woman inside you. So even
Yeah.
for a man to appreciate the woman or the creativity within
Inside
him,
yeah.
and for the woman to be okay, that's the connection between the mind and the body.
Till you do not have a good relation with yourself, you cannot have good relations outside, because then you're going out there as a beggar. Make me feel good. But love is, I am feeling good. Now I want to share.
This is such an interesting, and I'd love for you to talk about it, Satyaji. Lekin, this is something we've been talking about, is this whole relationship pandemic. आजकल सब बम्बल पे है and hinge पे है. First date, पहली बार, दूसरी बार, like it's become a thing.
Don't rush for actual sex, but spend lots of time in foreplay. That flow of Shakti, you should be able to enjoy, not its release. Like you were saying, that with closed eyes, dance is something else. Same. People's eyes are open. It's like a pornographic show. If you close your eyes and feel the touch and enter that electric flow of that touch, it will transform you. And if you can feel that with one person, such person cannot fuck around, because they know my music will be disturbed. Fuck my freedom. I don't want to disturb my music.
You're actually saying, fuck my freedom. I want to do this.
I want to stay into this music because it expands me. More creativity comes out of me. We cannot blame youngsters that why they are doing, because necessarily everybody is seeking that freedom, that thrill of life. But I think If I don't get it from her, maybe I'll get it from that. But we're not teaching the science of connection, the energy, the feel. We're not training children. We're training the children with mind information. Most of the relations are destroyed by too much talking all the time. It becomes mental energy. I suggested to some couples that don't talk. Their sex life became okay. बुल्ला बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन बुल्ला.
What an experience. I'm sure you are all blown away. I'm sure आपके दिमाग में hundreds of ideas हैं, hundreds of techniques हैं जो आप apply कर सकते हो, use कर सकते हो. Let me know in your comments below. आपको क्या अच्छा लगा, आप क्या अपने साथ लेके जाएंगे, आप क्या implement करेंगे. Who else do you think I should go speak with? I personally love going through different experiences and bringing them to you so that you can also learn with me. And if you haven't, please do subscribe. 85% of the people जो ये video देख रहे हैं हमें subscribe नहीं करे हुए हैं. And in this digital universe, it will be very hard to find each other again. So please do subscribe and keep letting me know हम क्या करें, what we did well, what we can do better. Looking forward to seeing you again.